In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a task as completed in ClickUp. Let's get started by opening your ClickUp account. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your workspace, which is where all of your teams, projects, and tasks live. If you're using the desktop app or a browser, the layout is the same idea. Navigation on the left, content in the main area, and details when you open a task. Next, click on the specific space where your task lives. Spaces are the top-level containers that organize everything by team, department, or project theme. You'll find them in the left sidebar. Choose the space that holds the work you want to wrap up so you're looking at the right set of lists and tasks. Now, open the exact task you want to mark as completed. You can do this from any view, list board, or calendar by selecting the task's name. That opens the task details panel. Inside the task, you'll see its title, description, comments, attachments, and other fields like priority, assignees, due dates, and status. Take a quick glance to make sure you're in the correct task before you mark it done. When you're ready, click the checkbox on the task. This checkbox is a fast way to indicate the task is finished. You'll usually find it near the task title or next to the task in list or board views. Clicking it signals that work is complete and helps keep your views tidy and accurate. To make the completion official across your workspace, look to the bottom of the task panel and click the status field. From the menu that appears, select Complete. In many setups, Complete is shown in green, and choosing it moves the task into its final done state. If your workspace uses custom statuses, just pick the one labeled Complete or the equivalent final status your team agreed to use. This ensures reports, dashboards, and automations treat the task as finished. Once you've set the status to Complete, your team members will be able to see it right away. The task will appear in completed sections, and anyone following the task may get notified depending on your notification settings. This clarity helps teammates know what's done, what's still in progress, and what's ready for the next step. That's it. Open your ClickUp account, go to the right space, open the task, click the checkbox, and then set the status to Complete. With those actions, you keep your workspace organized and your team fully in the loop.